we are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit it. C for 1/5 share. One-fifth share, they admit it. C for 1/4 share in the profit. The new profit sharing ratio agreed was 2:1:1. C brought ₹1 lakh for his capital. C could not bring his share of goodwill in cash. The goodwill of the firm was valued at 8,000. On C's admission, pass necessary journal entries in the books of account. Now the first step is to find C's share of goodwill. C's goodwill is equal to, what is firm's goodwill? Since C's share of goodwill is not given directly, we have to find it from firm's goodwill. So 80,000 multiplied by, what is C's share of profit? So since C's share of profit is 1/4. So C will bring ₹20,000 as his share of profit, his share of goodwill. Now what is second step? Second step is to find sacrificing ratio. What is sacrificing ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio. I think we are going to get same sacrificing ratio, since old ratio and new ratio are same as the previous question. So sacrificing ratio is, sacrificing ratio of A and B will be 2:3. I'm not going to find it. Okay. So now we can pass necessary journal entry. So journal entry will be cash account DR to, what is C's capital? C has brought ₹1 lakh. So C's capital is ₹1 lakh. So here we can't record premium for goodwill because C is not able to bring his share of goodwill in cash. So if he fails to bring goodwill in cash, we can't record here. So what is premium? What is C's share of goodwill? 20,000. So like I said before, whether the new partner is able to bring his share of goodwill or not, the whole amount of goodwill should be transferred to sacrificing partner. So here the 20,000 will be transferred to sacrificing partner from new partner's current account. Is that clear for you? Okay. So C's current account DR, how much? 20,000 to our sacrificing partner. So this premium amount will be transferred to sacrificing partner. Who are sacrificing partner? A and B. A's capital account to B's capital account. How much will we get? A will get 2 means 20,000 with 2 by 5. 8,000 and 12,000. So here, since C is not able to bring his share of goodwill, the same should be adjusted from C's current account or capital account. Thereby, C's current account or capital account will be decreased. If capital decreases, if current account decreases, it should be debited. We should debit the current account or capital account. That is why current account is debited here. Since premium amount is transferred to our sacrificing partners, sacrificing partners capital will be increased. That is why we have credited our sacrificing partners capital account. Okay. Now we will do 6th question. Okay, Tenzin and Sonam are partners in a firm sharing profit in a 3:2 ratio. They admit Doji for one-fourth share in profit of the firm. Doji brings ₹50,000 for his capital and ₹10,000 for his share of goodwill. Goodwill already appears in the books of Tenzin and Sonam at ₹5,000. The new ratio is again 2:1:1. So I'm not going to find sacrifice ratio. We are going to get same sacrifice ratio, which is 2:3. Okay. So first we have to find new partner's share of goodwill. So what is new partner's share of goodwill? C has got rupees 10,000 as his share of goodwill. So we don't have to find new partner's share of goodwill. Sorry. So Dorji has got rupees 10,000 as his share of goodwill. So D's share of goodwill is 10,000. And second step is sacrifice ratio of Tenzin and Sonam is 2:3. We are going to get same sacrifice ratio since both old ratio and new ratio are same as the previous question. Okay. Now we have to pass necessary journal entry. Cash account DR to Dorji's capital account to premium for goodwill. Okay, so since he has got rupees 50,000 for his capital and rupees 10,000 for his share of goodwill, so here how much we get? 50,000 and here 10,000. The total how much we got? 60,000. So this premium for goodwill should be transferred to sacrifice partner. So who are sacrificing partner? Tenzin and Sonam. Premium for goodwill account DR 10,000 to Tenzin's capital account to Sonam's capital account. So what is their sacrifice ratio? 2:3. So Tenzin will get 4,000 and Sonam will get 6,000. There is one more information in this question, which is goodwill already appears in the books of account. In the books of account means in the old balance sheet. If goodwill appears in the books of account at the time of admission of partner, such goodwill should be written off among all partners in their old ratio. So therefore, journal entry will be all partners. Who all partners? Tenzin's capital account DR, Sonam's capital account DR to goodwill. Why goodwill account is definite? Because we have to write off goodwill among all partners in their old ratio. So what is goodwill? 5,000. So what is their old ratio? Old ratio is 3:2, which means 3,000 and 2,000. So this is the goodwill which is not brought in by new partner. This is the goodwill which is already appears in the books of account. Therefore, we have to write off such goodwill among all partners in their old ratio. Is that clear for you? Okay. Now we'll solve next question. X and Y are partners with the capital of rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1 lakh respectively. They are sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Z as a new partner for 1/5 share, who will bring rupees 1 lakh as capital. Pass necessary journal entry. So in this question, no information is given, nothing is given regarding goodwill. So which means this question is with regard to hidden goodwill. So here, in order to find firm's goodwill, the first step is to find total capital of new firm. Total capital of new firm is equal to new partners capital. What is new partners capital? New partners total capital. Total capital of new firm is equal to new partners capital multiplied by reciprocal of his share. So what is reciprocal of his share? 5/1. So how much we got? 5/. So total capital of new firm is 5 lakh. And the second step is to find total capital employed. Total capital employed. Total capital employed means total capital invested by the old partners, including new partners. So what is capital of X? 2 lakh. Capital of Y? 1 lakh. And what is new partners capital? 1 lakh. In total, how much we got? 4 lakh. Now we can find firm's goodwill. So firm's goodwill. Firm's goodwill is equal to total capital of new firm minus total capital employed. What is total capital new firm? 5 lakh. What is total capital employed? 4 lakh. So how much we got? 1 lakh. Now we can find new partner's share of goodwill. So what is new partner's share of goodwill? Who is new partner? Z. Z's share of goodwill is 1 lakh multiplied by 1 by 5, which is 20,000. So next step is to find sacrificing ratio. The first step, we have done the first step. What is first step? To find new partner's share of goodwill. Now what is second step? Second step is sacrificing ratio. So here, the old ratio will remain sacrificing ratio since no new ratio is given. Moreover, information regarding sacrifice made by old partner is also not given. Therefore, old ratio is sacrificing ratio. So, sacrificing ratio of X and Y is equal to 3:2. Now we are going to pass journal entry. Cash account DR to who is the partner? That's capital. Here, if the information is silent with regard to goodwill to be brought in by new partner, then we have to assume that Z is not able to bring his share of goodwill. So we can't write premium account here. So what is the capital of new partner? Yeah, that is not 1 lakh as his share of goodwill. Since that is not able to bring his share of goodwill, the same should be adjusted from his current account, which means whole rupees 20,000 will be paid from his current account. Thereby, his current account will be reduced. That's current account DR to sacrificing. Who are sacrificing partner? X capital account. X and Y are sacrificing partner. Y's capital account. So what is the amount of Z's current account? Yeah. What is Z's share of goodwill? So 20,000. So whole 20,000 should be transferred to X and Y in their sacrificing ratio. What is their sacrificing ratio? 3:2. 3:2 means X will get 12,000 and we will get how much? 8,000. Okay. Okay, now we'll do the add question, which is last question. Okay, gold and silver are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 4:1. They admitted copper as a new partner for 1/3 share in profit. It was agreed that gold, silver and copper would share profit equally and in future, copper brought rupees 50,000 as premium for goodwill for 1/3 share in profit past necessary journal entry. Okay, now the first step is to find new partner's share of goodwill. So who is new partner? C's goodwill. We have to find C's share of goodwill. So here, C's share of goodwill is given in the question. So, which is 15,000. So the second step is to find sacrificing ratio. So what is formula of sacrificing ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio. Okay? So what is old ratio? Old and silver. What is old ratio? 4:1. Old ratio. What is new ratio? Gold, silver and copper. 1:1:1. Here it was agreed that gold, silver and copper would share profit equally, which means 1:1:1. So this is their new ratio. Now we have to find sacrificing ratio of all partner. G's sacrificing ratio is equal to 4/5 minus 1/3, which is 12 minus 5 divided by 15. How much we got? 7/15. And next, we'll find S sacrificing ratio. S sacrificing ratio is equal to 1/5 minus 1/3, which means 3 minus 5/15. Since we have got negative rational number, so we have to put common bracket 2/15. If we get negative sacrificing ratio, which means that partner S, silver, didn't sacrifice, instead he has gained a part of share from whom? G. So this is C gained a part of share from whom? G. Normally all partners sacrifice a part of their share in favor of new partner, but in this case, S, instead of sacrificing, again S has gained a part of share from whom? G. Is that clear for you? Okay. Now, first normally we calculate new partners' goodwill on the basis of firm's goodwill. Now we have to do the reverse. We have to find firm's goodwill on the basis of new partner's capital. So, firm's goodwill is equal to, what is new partner's goodwill? 15,000. What is his share? His share is, corporate share is 1/3. So what is reciprocal of 1/3? 3/1. So how much we got? 45,000. So 45,000 is firm's goodwill. Now we are going to pass necessary journal entry. First journal entry is cash account DR to premium for goodwill. So C has got rupees 15,000 as goodwill. So information regarding capital is not given here, just leave it. Okay? Now this premium amount should be transferred to whom? Sacrificing partner. So premium account DR 15,000. So here, since silver gained a part of his share from G, so silver has to pay goodwill from where? From his capital. If silver has to pay goodwill from his capital, then silver's capital account will be debited. And who is sacrificing partner? G. So normally sacrificing partner will get goodwill because they sacrifice a part of their share in favor of new partner. So G will get goodwill. G's capital account. Now we are going to find G's goodwill and S goodwill. First we are going to find G's goodwill. G's goodwill is equal to, what is firm's goodwill? Now we can find G's goodwill on the basis of firm's goodwill. 45,000 multiplied by what is G's share? 7/15. 15 months of 15. You can 3 7s are 21. So G will get 21,000. So what about S? S goodwill. 45,000 multiplied by what is S share? 2/15. 2 1 3. So X has to pay rupees 6,000 as goodwill to whom? G, because S has gained a part of share from whom? G. Now we are done with all the 5 cases. Question. I think we have done enough questions, and I hope you all have understood the treatment regarding goodwill and capital. Oh, that's all. Thank you.